Shwmae, a chroeso I Uned 23 Rhan 1 o'r cwrs SYLFAEN. Welcome to Unit 23, Part 1 of the Foundation course. Mynegi dymuniad trwy ddefnyddio ffurf amodol y ferf hoffi, expressing a wish using the conditional tense of the verb hoffi, to like. Cofiwch wrth bod ni'n mynd trwy'r drilio I beidio edrych ar eich cwrs lyfr. Please don't look at your course booklet while we're going through the drilling exercise. Nawr, dych chi wedi dysgu yn barod, you've already learnt baswn ni, I would, a dylwn ni, I should. Wrth gwrs, gallech chi ddweud, you could always say, baswn ni'n hoffi, I would like. Ond mae modd defnyddio hoffi yn unig. There is a shorter form using only the verb hoffi. Cofiwch fod gwrthrych y ferf yn treiglo'n feddal. Remember that the object of the verb mutates softly. Nawr, hoffwn I fynd I Affrica. Hoffwn I fynd I Affrica. I would like to go to Africa. Hoffwn I fynd I Affrica. Hoffai hi fynd I America. Hoffai hi fynd I America. She would like to go to America. Hoffai hi fynd I America. Hoffen ni fynd I Ffrainc. Hoffen ni fynd I Ffrainc. We would like to go to France. Hoffen ni fynd I Ffrainc. Hoffen nhw fynd i'r Almaen. Hoffen nhw fynd i'r Almaen. They would like to go to Germany. Hoffen nhw fynd i'r Almaen. Da iawn. Nawr dyn ni'n mynd I ymarfer cwestiynau. Now let's practice some questions. Ble hoffet ti fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffet ti fynd ar wyliau? Where would you like to go on holiday? Ble hoffet ti fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffech chi fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffech chi fynd ar wyliau? Where would you like to go on holiday? Ble hoffech chi fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffai fe fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffai fe fynd ar wyliau? Where would he like to go on holiday? Ble hoffai fe fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffen nhw fynd ar wyliau? Ble hoffen nhw fynd ar wyliau? Where would they like to go on holiday? Ble hoffen nhw fynd ar wyliau? Da iawn, a dyna ni ar gyfer rhan 1. Welai chi yn rhan 2. That's it for part 1. I'll see you in part 2.